Connect your new Sharp Aquos remote to your TV.
Hello there. Today we're going to walk through the steps to connect your new Sharp Aquos remote to your TV. It's a simple process, and we'll make sure to break it down for you so you can get back to enjoying your TV in no time.
Check your remote and TV.
Before starting, make sure that your Sharp Aquos remote has batteries installed and that your TV is plugged in and turned on.
Identify the remote code.
Next, you'll need to identify the remote code for your specific TV. This can usually be found in the user manual that came with your remote. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can find these codes online. Make sure to write down the code or keep it handy for the next steps.
Enter the remote code.
With the code ready, it's time to enter it into your remote. 1. Press and hold the Setup or Code button on your remote. The LED on the remote should start blinking, indicating it's ready to accept the code. 2. Enter the code using the numeric keypad on the remote. Once you've entered the code, the LED should stop blinking. 3. Now, press the power button on your remote to test if it's connected to your TV. If the TV responds and turns off, that means the setup is successful.
Troubleshooting.
If your TV did not respond to the remote, don't panic. There could be a couple of reasons why. 1. Check if you've entered the code correctly. Try again if you're unsure. 2. The code you're using might be incorrect. Check the manual or online for the correct code. 3. Make sure the batteries are working in the remote. If they're not, replace them. We hope this guide has been helpful in connecting your Sharp Aquos remote to your TV. By following these steps, you should be able to easily connect your remote and enjoy your viewing experience. If you continue to have trouble, consider reaching out to Sharp customer service. Enjoy your TV time.